I have a very important song I wish to sing. Proceed. Cthulhu Fhtagn. What a terrible phrase. Cthulhu Fhtagn. It's the end of days. It means the deep ones are rising up to amaze. They'll free you and me from sanity. Cthulhu Fhtagn. Cthulhu Fhtagn. Cthulhu Fhtagn. Cthulhu Fhtagn.